How to play Fivem on GTA 5 Enhanced. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to play Fivem by using the GTA 5 Enhanced. Now what you want to need to do is just to rename the main folder of the exe file on GTA 5 Enhanced. So to do that, just go into your Windows search and type in GTA 5. If you found it, that's good. If not, just go into File Manager, and then from File Manager, what you want to do is go into your local disk C, program files, and then from here locate your GTA 5 folder. So for example, this one. Now if you have found the main folder, this it should what it look like. If not, what you want to do is to right click on this folder and choose on locate file destination. Now inside this folder you should be able to see GTA 5 underscore enhanced.exe. What you want to have to do is to right click on the exe file and rename it. Now what you need to do here is just to erase the enhance and underscore, just keep the GTA 5 as it is and hit on enter. Now next is to relaunch the game, and that's it. That's how you play Fivem on GTA 5 Enhanced.